Hi, this is Phil from Projector Reviews, and I'm here to talk to you about a cool new system that I reviewed from Elite Projectors called the MosicGO 360. Now, the original MosicGO systems were developed as an outdoor solution to include everything you needed for an outdoor theater. All the components came neatly packed in two small carrying cases. One carrying case held the projector, as well as all of the accessories and a tripod. The second case held the screen and a stand. The cool thing about this was it eliminated all of the guesswork of trying to find the right screen to go with the right projector for an outdoor theater, because people ask me about that all the time. To further enhance the system's use year-round, Elite Projectors introduced the MosicGO 360 systems this year, which also include a large fixed indoor screen. Since Elite Projectors is a division of Elite Screens, they understand both the projectors and the screens. So this system eliminates the guesswork of trying to match the right screen with the right projector. All MosicGO systems utilize a MosicGO projector. This projector is a Full HD DLP ultra short throw projector. And it's great that it's ultra short throw because it makes it easy to set up in a room. Because it does not have to sit in the back of the room, it can sit in the front very close to the screen and still project a large immersive image. The projector utilizes an LED light source that is rated for 1,000 ANSI lumens and a lifespan of 25,000 hours. 25,000 hours equals like 3 hours a day, 7 days a week for like 2 decades. So you can truly utilize this as a portable outdoor solution, but also as your day-to-day TV. 1,000 ANSI lumens is also enough to light up a larger screen in the home for day-to-day use for a really immersive experience. The MosicGO projector has 6 picture presets. To me, the most accurate picture modes were movie mode and photo mode. Sometimes you may want to also utilize Vivid. It worked really well in a room with high ambient light or outdoors. Anybody that's ever set up a ultra short throw projector will tell you that sometimes aligning the image to the screen can be difficult. So the MosicGO projector has auto keystone correction as well as a small amount of vertical and horizontal shift, which should make this a little easier. There's 2 versions of the projector. The MosicGO Sport, which has a built-in battery, while the MosicGO Lite version does not. The built-in battery can power the projector to play back 3 hours of video or 30 hours of just audio. The battery not only powers the projector, but it can also charge a laptop or mobile device, or you can use it to power a streaming stick via its USB-C or USB-A ports. I truly believe the MosicGO Sport projector is worth the $300 price premium because of the enhanced portability, because it makes it really easy to set the system up at the beach, in your backyard, or even camping, because you don't have to worry about how are you going to power the projector. The MosicGO projector also has a stereo 8-watt by 2 Bluetooth audio system built in, so you can utilize it as just a music speaker. Now, would a dedicated Bluetooth speaker of the same size sound better? Probably. But the projector did a good job playing back audio, whether it was music or whether it was playing back loud enough so you could hear the announcer or the dialogue of the movie while you're sitting at the beach. If you're a gamer, this is also a great projector. It has a super low input lag. I measured it at 16.8 milliseconds. So it makes for a great gaming projector for you hardcore gamers out there. Lastly, the projector is also IPX2 moisture resistant, which means you don't have to worry about it being close to the pool or maybe taking it outdoors camping because of its moisture resistance. And there's even little covers to protect all of the connections and ports. I was first asked to review the MosicGO system as an outdoor solution, and I was more than happy to do it because I get asked all the time about outdoor screens. And I will tell you, don't get a blow-up screen. They suck. They sag, they never stay inflated, and they're hard to repack. I've always believed that a stand-mounted tension screen was the best way to go. And Elite Screens offers several great outdoor options, including the Yardmaster 2. All MosicGO 360 systems include a 58-inch Yardmaster screen covered in White material. The screen can be set up in less than 5 minutes. You unfold the frame, slide the frame onto the legs, and snap on the screen material. The projector's 1000 ANSI lumens really makes the image pop and the colors vibrant on the included portable screen. Not only can you use this screen for backyard movie night, it would also be a cool screen for maybe a sports nut to set up next to his main TV so they can watch 2 games at once, or as a portable gaming solution for you or your kids. Because remember, the projector has a super low input lag of 16.8 milliseconds, which makes for a great gaming solution. To enhance its use, the MosicGO 360 systems also include a second screen for indoor use. These screens are available in different materials and in different sizes, ranging from 100 inches to 123 inches. If you're looking at a MosicGO system, you should definitely step up to a MosicGO 360 system, just because of the second 100-inch screen that you can get for about $400. Since Elite Projectors is a division of Elite Screens, the options for screens that come with the MosicGO systems are high quality. So in the future, if you decide you want to step up and upgrade your projector, you can continue to utilize that screen for years to come. There's 3 different types of materials that are available for the indoor screens that come with a MosicGO 360 system. First is the CineWhite UHD-B material. This is a matte white material with a gain of 1.3. It is designed to be utilized with both standard and ultra short throw projectors. CineWhite material offers very accurate color and contrast, and it is designed for environments with controlled lighting. Because CineWhite works best with both standard and ultra short throw projectors, and it provides very accurate color and contrast, I utilize it in one of my reference screens in my lab. For those who have rooms with more ambient light, a MosicGO 360 system is also offered with 2 different ceiling light rejecting screens. First is CR2. This material rejects up to 65% of overhead lighting, which gives you a massive boost in contrast compared to a white screen in a room with ambient light. This screen was developed for tabletop short throw or ultra short throw projectors. It is very durable. It has a scratch resistant laminate coating, so it can even be utilized as a dry erase whiteboard. It is ISF certified because of its color accuracy. In fact, my reference whiteboard is equipped with CR2. The last material is called CR3. This material rejects up to 80% of overhead lighting for an even bigger boost in contrast compared to a matte white screen. This material was developed specifically for ultra short throw projectors, but it allows you to utilize that projector like the MosicGO during the day or in rooms with very high ambient light. Jaime from Elite Screens actually provided me with a 103-inch screen covered in CR3 material for the MosicGO 360 review. And he also shared a piece of matte white material with me. So I had the opportunity to compare the CR3 material to the matte white material in a room with ambient light. And as you can see, the difference was obvious. Not only did the CR3 material improve the performance of the MosicGO projector in a bright room, it also improved the projector's black load performance in a darker environment. But this material has a lower gain than the CineWhite material, so it wasn't as bright. So, if your room has lighting control, or you watch movies in the dark, and you want to have a screen that you can utilize with any kind of projector in the future, that is where the CineWhite UHD-B material comes in. If you're looking at ultra short throw projectors, whether it's a MosicGO, or maybe one day you're going to grow into a higher end ultra short throw projector and you want to utilize it throughout the day, that is where the CR3 material comes in. So as you can see, there's different materials for each particular application. By combining a MosicGO Sport or MosicGO Light projector with a variety of portable and fixed screens, Elite Projector has 24 different system options to choose from. Elite Projectors actually sent me the 103-inch screen covered with CR3 material so I can evaluate the performance of one of their newest MosicGO 360 combinations. The system I evaluated retailed for $2,033. Since I have other Elite screens in my home, I also tested the MosicGO projector on my Cine White screen and it looked great. I think the higher gain Cine White UHD B screen would work even better. As already mentioned, I'm a big fan of the MosicGO Sport projector because of its built-in battery. It made it really easy to take the projector and the portable screen out on my deck, and it powered my Amazon Fire TV stick so I can kick back and watch football games in the evening. Look, there's lots of portable projectors and portable screens available, but when combined, the performance of those systems can vary wildly. MosicGO systems include a good projector matched with a good screen or screens, all at one price, which makes this system very unique. While you could get a MosicGO Lite system starting at $1,000, at a minimum, you should step up to the MosicGO Sport projector with the built-in battery, as well as at least get a MosicGO 360 system that includes the 100-inch Cine White screen for a more immersive indoor viewing experience. There's tons of options available, but all of them are well thought out, which is why we are rewarding the MosicGO 360 systems a Projector Reviews Special Interest Award. To learn more about the MosicGO 360 systems, check out our detailed article on projectorreviews.com. So if you're looking for a projector you can take anywhere and be able to utilize that projector 365 days a year, check out the MosicGO 360 systems. So take care, and I will talk to you soon.